In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Fortnite account on your Nintendo Switch. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you log into Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch, you will notice that your Epic Games account, when you first log in, is linked to your Nintendo account and there is no option to sign out manually. This is because every single Fortnite account on your Switch is always tied to a specific Nintendo account on your user profile. So if you want to maybe create a new one or unlink the current one, what you need to do is create a completely new Nintendo account and link that new Nintendo account to a user profile that you use inside Fortnite. So, like I said, what you have to do is on a web browser, go to the Nintendo account page. In here, you need to create a new Nintendo account. Once you create this new Nintendo account, you can go back your Nintendo Switch, go into the users page, and in there, link this new Nintendo account that you've created to a new user profile inside of your Switch. Using that new user profile with this recently created Nintendo account, when you open up Fortnite, it's going to give you the option to link a new Epic Games account that you can use to create your new Fortnite account on your Nintendo Switch. I hope I was able to help you on how to create a new Fortnite account on your Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.